Okay, so the equation that we're trying to solve is 6 plus -2 and 1/4. So the rules are the same when we're adding rational numbers as they are when we're adding just regular numbers. So step number 1 is to find the absolute values. Find absolute values. So the absolute value of 6 is just 6, and the absolute value is value of -2 and 1/4 is 2 and 1/4. Absolute value is just the distance from 0, so it's the positive version of that number. Step number 2 is to subtract the absolute values. So step number 1, we found the absolute value. Now we subtract the absolute value. So we are going to take 6 minus 2 and 1/4. But we can't subtract it like that. We need to change 6 so that we can subtract 1/4 from it. So we're going to borrow 1 from 6, make it 5. And then we're going to make it 4/4, because that way we can subtract 1/4, because it's the common denominator, lowest common denominator, as 1/4. So 5 and 4/4 minus 2 and 1/4. And 5 minus 2 is 3. And 4/4 minus 1/4 is 3/4. And finally, step number 3, we're going to keep the sign of the number or the integer with the greater absolute value. And in our original, in step number 1, 6 was the number with the greater absolute value. So our answer, so 6 had the greater absolute value than -2 and 1/4. So our answer is going to be 3 and 3/4. Positive 3 and 3/4. We don't need to add the plus sign in front of it. Only if it was negative. Our answer is positive 3 and 3/4.